Hello everyone, I'm your English teacher Периште Насипековна. Today we will speak about present continuous. Present continuous обозначает длительное действие, которое совершается в настоящее время, в момент речи. Например, She is planting a rose now. Сейчас она сажает розу. Panda is eating at this moment. В данный момент панда кушает. Рассмотрим примеры. She is playing. They are playing. He is talking. They are talking. She is singing. They are singing. She is running. They are running. Вопросительная форма. При образовании вопросительной формы вспомогательный глагол am, is, are ставится перед подлежащим. Например, They are traveling. Are they traveling? I am sleeping. Am I sleeping? He's jumping. Is he jumping? Now, let's sing a song about what are they doing.
What is Sue doing? She is singing. What is Tom doing? He is dancing. She is singing. He is dancing. Singing, dancing, singing, dancing, singing, dancing, singing, dancing. What is Anne doing? She is cooking. What is Nick doing? He is eating. She is cooking. He is eating. Cooking, eating, cooking, eating, cooking, eating, cooking.